This is going to be starting off the Mix 2 of the Spin Master Monster Jam trucks. And I'm going to start it off with Monster MUTT ROTTWEILER. We're going to unbox him and take a closer look of the truck. On the back of the box of Mix 2, we have that Grave Digger with the colored wheels, Son of a Digger. Then we have Scarlet Bandit. Also, there's Hurricane Force, the Green Jester, King Crunch, and Max D, Maximum Destruction, the gold truck. So you also get one truck, one figure, and one poster, just like the rest of them in the singles. So let's go ahead and unbox Monster MUTT ROTTWEILER. Monster MUTT ROTTWEILER, and then here we go with the little mini figure right there. A nice color that goes along with ROTTWEILER. And here is the poster. We have a nice picture of Son of a Digger flying at Sandboyd Stadium. Nice Monster Jam logo as well. So that's pretty cool. On the back, wow, I believe this is for Mix 2 and Mix 3 coming soon. But here we go. We have Max D, Pirates Curse, El Toro Loco, Megalodon, Wonder Woman, Gravedigger, Monster MUTT Dalmatian, Bounty Hunter, and so the list goes on. And then I think this is then Mix 1, Mix 2, and then Mix 3. I think that's how they're doing it. Here is Gravedigger. If the camera will focus for me. Arena Favorites, the Silver Gravedigger, then Avenger. We also have the Megalodon and the Overcast, then Dragon and Crazy Creatures, Brodozer, Arena Favorites, Zombie and Crazy Creatures, Earthshaker, and Legacy trucks. And then we also have the training trucks of El Toro Loco. I'm not doing a real good job of showing you guys this, but you've probably already seen the poster, but giving you a nice shot. And then here's some Double Down Showdown of the 2-packs, which I have already reviewed, of Dragon and Jester, Blue Thunder and Storm Damage, Gravedigger and Wildflower. Then we also have the Brodozer and Gas Monkey Garage. Also Son of a Digger and Mohawk Warrior. And then you have Soldier of Fortune and Soldier of Fortune Black Ops. Down below we have the Megalodon and Pirates Curse, Higher Education and Bounty Hunter, Monster MUTT ROTTWEILER with the Monster MUTT Dalmatian, a different cage for Monster MUTT Dalmatian, just a different look. It also looks like different wheels will be on it. But here is Ice Cream Man with Monster MUTT. I believe that Monster MUTT is going to look different than the ones in the singles. So then we have Radical Rescue and Earthshaker. Now, Earthshaker does come out in the singles, but you might want to wait and get the double pack with Radical Rescue. I might do that as well, as just wait for the Earthshaker to come out with Radical Rescue. But that could change. Then we have Dragon with Octon Uber. Sorry, probably not pronouncing it correctly. Let's take a look at Monster MUTT ROTTWEILER. I really like how they have the brown wheels going with the truck. The black chassis looks nice. And up close, I believe also that the casting for this Monster Mutt Rottweiler is also different than Monster Mutt Dalmatian. So this is the final revised variation of Monster Mutt Rottweiler. The other one has more of a grayish texture for the fur on the truck. Those teeth, to me, feels 3D, very cool. There's the Monster Jam logo way in the back right there. Monster Mutt. Does have the dog collar. Coming around the other side. And on the dog collar, we have Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Very nicely done for this truck from Spin Master's version. Hopefully you enjoyed this review, and this will kick off my Mix 2 unboxings of the Spin Master Monster Jam series. Thank you for tuning in.